Take a ride in the 2017 Lincoln MKC. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.